Hello everyone, welcome to this video, How to Converse in Old English Lesson 15, or Hoe man spreekt Old English, Lar 15. Alright, so in Lesson 15 you'll learn how to make polite requests and ask for help in early West Saxon Old English. Through practical conversations you'll practice using magan, meaning can, is able to, biddan, to ask, and other useful everyday expressions, helping you to communicate more naturally and confidently in a variety of real-life situations. All right, let's make a start then. And welcome back, everyone. All right, here we are. Probably leave that for a moment there. All right, lar 15, biddan and fultum sechan. So lesson 15, making requests and asking for help. All right. All right, so let's have a look at some new words. Hopefully that's not in the way there. Okay, new words. Biddan, to ask, request. Helpan, to help. Fultum, help. Yevan, to give. Thankian, to thank. Yerne, gladly. Sechan, to seek, look for. Bringan, to bring. Her, here. Dar, there. All right. And all right, laring, teaching. To ask someone politely for help, Old English commonly uses magan, can, be able, or biddan, to ask. So some examples: Mecht thu me helpan. Mecht thu me helpan. Can you help me? Ich bitte thee, help me. Ich bitte thee, help me. Please help me. Yeah, ich helpe thee gerne. Yeah, ich helpe thee gerne. Yes, I will gladly help you. All right. Okay, now probably time to remove that. All right, so the present indicative of machen, so present tense. Ich may, I can. Okay, remember we're in the present tense here, so present indicative. Du möcht, you can. He, heo, hit, may, he, she, it can. We machen, we can, plural, present tense. Ye, machen, you, plural, so two or more of you, plural, can. Here, machen, they can. All right. Okay, so Sapel an on Tham Cheapa. So story one at the market. What I'll do is I'll say it twice, the text in black, the Old English, and then I'll just say the modern English once. So I'll say the Old English twice, sorry, I should say. Möcht thu me helpan? Möcht thu me helpan? Can you help me? Ja, wat seichst thu? Ja, wat seichst thu? Seichst thu. Seichst. Okay, it's all one word running. It's all going together. Seichst. Seichst. Ja, wat seichst thu? Yes, what are you looking for? Okay, so the st sound and the ch sound go side by side, which is not something we do in modern English. So, seichst. Okay, yeah, what seichst thu? Yes, what are you looking for? Ich seiche cheese. Ich seiche cheese. I am looking for cheese. Her hit is. Her hit is. Here it is. All right, and here's the family in the market again. Sapella toi, or Sapella toyen, I should say. That Gisthus. So story 2, the guest house. Ich bitte thee, gif me water. Ich bitte thee, gif me water. Please give me some water. Ja, her hit is. Ja, her hit is. Yes, here it is. Ich danke thee. Ich thanke thee. Thank you. It is gold. It is gold. It is good. And the family in the guest house. Sapella tharia, or Sapella thareo, on tham weya. On the road, so story 3, on the road. Mecht thu me helpan. Mecht thu me helpan. Can you help me? Yeah. Hawat is hit. Yeah. Hawat is hit. Yes, what is it? Hawar is cheap. Hawar is cheap. Where is the market? Ich wisia the thona way. Ich wisia the thona way. I shall show you the way. And there's the family looking for the marketplace and a local pointing the way or showing the way. Sapala feawar mid referendum. So story 4, with friends. Okay. Ich bidde thee sitte her. Ich bidde thee sitte her. Both T's are pronounced, by the way. Just like in modern English, when we say the word good day, the D is pronounced twice. Good, the D on the end of good, and then day. All right. Ich bidde thee sitte her. Please sit here. Yeah, ich sitte. Yeah, ich sitte. That shouldn't be a long E there. My apologies there. That's missed the proofreading. Got past the proofreading, I should say. That's just sit ter. There's no long E there. Yes, I shall. Yeah, ich sitte. Yes, I shall. Sorry about that. Nim thisna halaf. Nim thisne halaf. Take this bread. Ich thanke thee. Ich thanke thee. Thank you. And here we are, meeting friends in the feasting hall. Sapella Fief, Tohuza, at home. Story 5, at home. Mecht thu me yevan thona halaf. Mecht thu me yevan thona halaf. Can you give me the bread? Yeah. Yes. Ich thanke thee. Ich thanke thee. Thank you. Yerne. Gladly. All right, and there we are at home, carrying out homely family tasks. Sapella Cx, Fulton. Story 6, helping. Ich habe Mitchell Werk. Ich habe Mitchell Werk. Ich habe Mitchell Werk. I have much work. May ich thee helpan? May ich thee helpan? May ich thee helpan? May I help you? Yeah, ich thanke thee. Yeah, ich thanke thee. Yes, thank you. Yerne, gladly. All right, there we are, family home, doing some more tasks. All those many chores that need doing. All right, now this is a speaking exercise. Werk. This symbol here is woon. The woon symbol, later Old English win, but this is the W sound, and that's the letter for it. Woon, spelt W-Y-N-N. Woon. All right, so answer entirely in Old English. I'll put suggested answers to these questions and to those on the next slide after this in the channel's Google Drive under the heading Suggested Answers 3. Okay, so you can have a look at those after, but have a go here. See if you can answer entirely in Old English. Mecht thu me helpan, hawat seichst thu. May ich thee helpan. There should be a dot above that G, sorry about that. Ich bidde thee yef me water, hawat quadest thu, hu thankest thu. Okay, so have a go at answering those. There should be a dot above that. That is may, can, is able to, can I, you to help. All right. Okay, now here, this is a writing exercise. Read work, writing exercise. Write 6 or 7 sentences describing someone asking for help, and again, suggested answers to this slide as well as the previous one will be on the Google Drive for this channel. So you might try using things like Mecht tu, ich bitte thee, mai ich, danken, and gerne. All right, let's move on. Now, time for me to read through it all without the modern English. So, utan sprachen Eldunga on Eld Englische. Okay, let us speak entirely in Old English. Okay, so I'm going to read to the bit in black here, and hopefully you can remember and understand without the modern English prompting. And don't worry if you don't, it all takes time. Sapella an on tham chepa. Mecht thu may helpan, yeah, hawat sechst thu, ich secha chesa, her hit is. Sapella toayen that gistus. Ich bidet they, yef may water, yeah, her hit is. Ich thanketh they, hit is gold. Sapella thareo on thamweya. Meach thu may helpan, yeah, what is hit. Hawar is secheb. Ich weesia they thonaway. Sapella failwer mid verreondum. Ich bidde they sitte her. Yeah, ich sitte. That's not a long E, people. Sorry about that. I've missed that in the proofreading. That's just short E. So, yeah, ich sitte. Nim thisna halaf. Ich thanke thee. Sapella fif tohusa at home. Mech thu me year van thona halaf. Yeah, ich thanke thee. Yerne. Sapella sieks. Fultum. Ich habe Mitchell werk. Mai ich thee helpan. Yeah, ich thanke thee. Yerne. All right, and okay, so we're near the end here again, so I can turn that one, I think. All right, ich thanke ela for your sumness. I thank you all for listening. Wezat yehala of lar 16. So be you well, farewell until lesson 16. So be you whole well, which is a way of saying farewell, until off lar 16. All right, there's the family in the guest house again. All right, so I shall go over here one more, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. Wish you all well. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. Keep learning, not just in Old English, but everything in life. Keep learning, keep asking questions, keep engaging. Be curious about things. Try to understand things. All right, that's the stuff of life, isn't it? So I wish you all well. Take care of yourselves. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. If you will, please push the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. Share it around on social media as well. I'd greatly appreciate that as well. But until next time, take care of yourselves. I shall see you all then. Bye for now.